My name is Andrew. I'm from Arishi, and I rate Zoom meetings 5 out of 5. So we tried a variety of different platforms. Originally Skype, which was the de facto standard, but Skype was never particularly reliable for a large number of callers, and it could be a bit flaky at times. And also it wasn't very tolerant of poor network connections. We'd used FaceTime, we'd used Google Meet, we'd used quite a lot of different systems. But Zoom was the one that in tests was the best quality. It could scale for a variety of different bandwidths, and it's reliable. It just works. So having tested a number of different applications, we actually did some tests when I was traveling in the Middle East and making calls back to the UK. And of all of them, Zoom was the only one that maintained a reliable connection and the right quality. So Zoom was super easy to onboard with, and with some of the other platforms we use, they can be a bit cumbersome. They need you to have a Google ID, an Apple ID, a Hotmail address or something like that. Zoom is actually pretty straightforward. It just works, and that's all we can ask for. And then when we get our other team members in, it was really easy to onboard them as well. There's a central panel where we can manage the whole account. So yeah, it's no complaints at all, really. I'd highly recommend it. My heart always sinks whenever someone sends me a meeting invite with Teams or Google Meet, because I know that I'm going to spend ages fiddling around with audio and video and things like that. With Zoom, I never have a problem. It goes in, it works, and that's it. So if you want something that's simple and reliable, you don't need all the bells and whistles. You don't need all the fancy stuff that the others have, or the undesirable integration into big tech ecosystems like Microsoft or Google. I think Zoom is just an excellent choice for a variety of different types of users, companies, whatever.